Hi everyone! So today we are making a new collection of eepers. This time with some little dogs I illustrated a while ago. If you haven't seen my cat eepers video yet, I will leave it link. It's super cute, super easy, but this time I wanted to explain the process a bit better and also try something different. So I decided to use these old illustrations of Breton dogs I had. They have slightly fancier clothes, so I thought, why not turn them into eepers and try something different this time. Okay, so first thing, we start with some cold porcelain clay. It's my favorite for this kind of project because it's really durable and I love that semi-transparent white finish when it dries. I try to keep it all in one piece so nothing falls off later. I start with a little ball and from that same piece I pull out first the ears, then the arms, and then the legs. Then I use a small box or anything with a 90-degree corner to flatten the middle. That's where we will stick the tape later. This time I also made tiny hats. By pressing a small ball with my fingers to make a hollow shape, then I attach it while the clay is still soft. You can use a little water to help stick the parts together, but just a little, just the tip of your fingers. I leave them to dry in the box so they keep their shape because they shrink a bit as they dry. And then, of course, I repeat that a few times because one puppy is never enough. Next comes the part that took me the longest. Painting. I use acrylic paints because that's what I usually have around, but you can use whatever you like best. I start with the base color for all the faces. Once those are dry, I add any little color patches or markings they might have. Then I paint the eyes and noses. Acrylic dries super fast, so by the time I finish the last one, the first one is already ready to go. The part that took me the most time was definitely the clothes. I really have fun adding tiny details to them and making patterns. And of course they all have hats, so now they are little dogs with little hats, which honestly I think it makes everything better. So once the painting is done, it's varnish time. I like to use a glossy finish and usually give them 2 or even 3 coats. I do one side first, let it dry. This takes longer than the acrylic paint, so we have to be patient. And then I do the other side. Make sure you don't leave any spots without varnish, and also be careful not to rest them on a fresh side because it's super sticky, and yeah, I run a few that way. When everything is dry, we can finally turn them into ears. For that, I use double-sided silicone tape. Cut a little piece that fits with the part that is flat. And press it firmly. You have to do this a few times for every ear you made. That's it! Now I have a new collection of dog ears that my kids and friends and me already love. I would love to see your own versions, so if you make some, please tag me or share them with me. I'm already designing the blind boxes for these little bodies, so don't miss part 2 of this video. It's going to be super fun and super cute. Thanks for watching, see you soon, don't forget to like and subscribe.